And we back, man. We leaving work currently. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro. Today been kind of a hectic day. A lot of stuff been going on. We got a lot of work done at work, but now we getting ready to leave. So I'm talking to y'all. I'm picking up the camera. We chopping it up, and we having a good time. Now I'm not gonna lie. I did let my car run for a little second, so I'm kind of hot. It's a little toasty in this mug. We're gonna turn that heat off, and we're gonna keep on talking. I have some news about what exactly has been going on in the markets. Some news, man, that I have to share with y'all. Some news that's kind of, you know what I'm saying, not the best, but we gonna talk about it. We transparent. That's why we talk and we communicate on this channel and keep it a stack, because y'all know what y'all come here for. Now, this news I'm about to deliver to y'all is not the best news to me. It's not the most pleasant news to me, but it's news that I'm not new to. But not only that, it's news that doesn't necessarily affect me, because it's ups and downs in this whole journey. It's ups and downs in this whole thing, and it's just, you know, a cost of the game. It's just a cost of making money in the markets, especially with prop firms, especially with, you know, having funded accounts and whatnot. Things happen, man. Things come up. Things happen. You know, that's all I can really say is just shit happens. And we can't necessarily be 100% bulletproof in this thing. We're going to get hit at times. We're going to get hit for sure. And today is just one of the moments where we ended up getting hit. And it's something to learn. It's something to talk about. I'm coming to y'all and I'm just being upfront and I'm being 1,000. When you think about it, it get real crazy, because it's like we're going on a whole roller coaster ride throughout this whole video. And it's, you know, it's beautiful, but it's like, damn, man, because I be capturing like my real emotions in real time. And it's like in the moment, I'm really feeling how I'm feeling. But then I go look back at it, you know, weeks later, months later, whatever the case may be. And I'm like, damn, like, okay, this is where I was at then. And this is how I reacted. This is how I am. Like, this is how I was. How am I now? Like, what's the difference? And saying that alone, I've seen old footage of myself, you know, with other little things, other hiccups and whatnot pop up. And I just reacted completely different, because I was a completely different person at the time. Like, we change, we evolve over time. And this is just one of the moments I'm noticing it in real time. It's crazy. Like, it's just hitting me. But before I get into it, I need y'all to know the time span. I need y'all to understand the current, where we at in time. And y'all might be thinking it's the next day from when y'all last seen me. Y'all probably last seen me in a smoke session, or maybe we was talking about markets after that. Clearly, now we're not in a smoke session. Normally I pick up the camera the next day and I start to film, and we talk from, you know, morning time till later on. And it just hasn't went that way, at least for this video in specific. And mind y'all, today is Thursday. I believe we started this video on a Tuesday, a Monday or a Tuesday. I know it was Monday or Tuesday for sure. And now it's Thursday. So it's like, what happened within that space? What happened within that time? You don't gotta ask some questions no more. Gang, I was working mad hours yesterday. It was one of them days again. Like, it was one of those days where we just had to stay over a little bit longer. I wasn't paying attention to the markets. I wasn't paying attention to anything really trading related. I had my alert set. I had everything set up, you know, to let me know certain things. But crazy part is, where I was working at and what I was doing yesterday, I couldn't necessarily have my phone near me. So I went the whole day, essentially, without checking the markets at all the way until after the daily closed, and that's when I got the news. That's when I got the news, man. Right when the daily closed. It's news to me. It's news to y'all too, but we're gonna talk about the news that I got. I'm gonna stop yapping. Let's talk about it. And I'm parked right now. I'm parked. Let me just put that out there. But I know, y'all probably like, IFN, what's the news, man? Like, you keep on talking about this news, what's going on? Keep it honest with y'all. Keep it a whole stack with y'all. Cause y'all know we can't put no lies out on this channel. We gotta keep it 1,000 the whole way through the thick and the thin, through all of that, you know what I'm saying? Man, it's crazy, cause we blew an account. We blew an account, man. The funded account, one of the funded accounts, ended up getting packed up. It's out the way, and it's unfortunate, you know. It's crazy because the funded account that ended up getting packed up was the one that we was actively in, the NZD-CHF trading. And like I said, like I wasn't on my phone at all. I didn't know what was happening. And long story short, man, at the end of the day, not the daily close, not 5 p.m., you know, New York time, at the end of my work day, when I got on my phone and I go on TradingView and I look at everything, bruh, all I see is an arrow. I see one arrow and it's pointing at a candle, you know? It's pointing there, and it's telling me this is where I exited the position. And I'm like, what the fuck? I didn't hop out the markets. What's going on? Hey man, we hit a daily drawdown rule. We violated the drawdown, and it's crazy. It's crazy as hell, because I was literally just speaking about this daily drawdown like not too long ago. Literally, I was just talking to somebody about the drawdown and everything like that. Just blew it just like that. But it's all good, man. Like I said, we down an account. We gotta go back and get another account. You already know what that means, man. We gotta go ahead and recoup. We in a gulag right now. We gotta go ahead and fight for that account back. We gotta go ahead and get some more funding, because I mean, yeah, we could lose one, but what is it? Just pass an account, get a withdrawal, and essentially it's for free. To me, that sounds like a win-win. We just gotta pass again, go ahead, start up the eval. We gonna see, man. We gonna see, but it just threw me off, bro. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it threw me off, and it broke my heart. It broke my heart, man. I walked out that job site, I'm like, damn. When I got on my phone, I'm like, fuck, man. What the hell? Shit crazy, but shit happen every day. It's just one of these things that we just want to take on the chin, and we got to keep on moving with. Funded accounts come and go, you know. Funded accounts come and they go. How can I say this the best way? I'm trying to think of the best way to put this for anybody that doesn't understand what I mean when I say funded accounts come and go. Hey, before I say what I say, I mean everything I'm saying with all due respect. Y'all ever had like, you know what I'm saying, one of them little, you know, side flings, whatever you want to call it, little, you know what I'm saying, piece on the side, whatever it may be. You ever been in a situation like that? Or have you been in a side fling? Like, have you ever been in a side piece? I don't know which way you're gonna relate to it, to this analogy, but essentially a funded account is like a side piece. A side piece, they come and they go. You know, you swap them out, however you know what I'm saying, you manage it, boom, bada bang. You never wanna treat your funded account like the main. What I'm saying applies to funding, and it's kind of like, I don't know, how are you gonna take this? I don't know what you're gonna do with this, but we talking about funded accounts right now. Get your mind out the gutter, we talking about them fundeds. So like I was saying, man, the funded account, it's kind of like a side piece, you know. You do what you gotta do with it, man. You get what you get. You don't throw a fit. At the end of the day, squad, you make the profits, you withdraw. Be smart with your profits now. Don't just go buying designer, go buying all types of crazy shit that you don't need. Go ahead, be smart with it, and put it into the main thing. Invest into the main thing, your own personal live account. You don't wanna trade funding forever. On a personal account, you don't have any daily drawdown rules. You don't have any limits like that. Like, you either just blow the money or you have it all. You don't have any stipulations. Long story short, man, just be smart with your profits, be smart with your withdrawals. Do what you gotta do. 4 times like this, have, you know, a safety net. So worst case, something like this happens, you can go ahead and solve that problem. Currently, that's the stage I'm in right now. I gotta go ahead and figure out exactly what I'm gonna do to solve this problem. I don't know. I'll go ahead, I'll show y'all exactly what I'm talking about, what's happening. I'm gonna do that when I get inside the crib, and after that, we're gonna see where else we go. We back, squad. We back, man. As y'all can see, we at the crib. I literally just pulled up not too long ago, and currently, I'm looking at the news. It's some unfortunate news. It's something unfortunate across the screen from me, you know, that y'all can't see just yet, but I'm seeing it, and it's just, man. It's trading, man. It's trading. This is what we signed up to do, you know. We're professional traders. So that means that we're professionals also at managing our emotions, but damn. Emotions like this just tend to rise extremely compared to the other ones. And it's just like, you know, shit happens, man. Things happen, but man. I'm just like, you know, I'm talking to y'all, but I'm just looking around like, what do I do? Like, what's happening? What's happening right now? Man, I hate when it comes to shit like this. Without further ado, I'm gonna flip the camera around. And we're gonna look at this together. I know you guys are seeing the same market that I'm looking at. As we can see up top, it's NZDCHF, and man, look at how this day is starting to move. Now, you see this red candle right here because this is telling me essentially where I sold the market at exactly when I got out, and you guys can see I sold it on Wednesday at 17. I didn't do that, it automatically did it itself. And essentially what that's saying is, you know, Wednesday, a little bit after the daily closes at 16, so 16 is 5 p.m. and 17 will be 6 p.m. Around that time is when I got out the market, and this is when it did it all by itself. As you guys can see, I dropped down to a lower time frame. This is the exact candle that took me out. This like spiked down, and then as you guys can see right now, look how we're looking, man. Now you see all these other candles, or not candles, but arrows to the side, because this is an old entry. This is on the entry from the last video where I ended up actually taking a loss. Next trade I take, look how it's looking. Like, we're going in the direction all the way that I'm saying. Like, we're going up. But then we get taken out, and we're still continuing this bullish trend. Now, I don't know if the market's going to continue going up, but ideally, I'm still thinking TP is about it's 50 pips from where I'm at. That's definitely possible. It's just unfortunate that I'm no longer in this move, and I got taken out because of a daily drawdown rule. The daily printed off at 5 o'clock. About an hour later, I was taken out, and about an hour later, I was off of work. It's insane, man, and it's unfortunate, but it's not the end of the world. You know, I was sitting back, I was in my thoughts for a quick little second, but I'm like, hey man, you know who I am? Like, I know who I am. Squad, it's IFN. You already know what time it is. I know who I am. You IFN, you IFN. Lock in, man, lock in. Let's do what we gotta do, because at the end of the day, ain't nobody else gonna do it for me. At the end of the day, I'm the only one to blame. At the end of the day, this is my job. At the end of the day, this is what I gotta do. Come on now. I know what time it is, man. I hope y'all do too, and if you want to know exactly, and you're not really too for sure exactly what time it is, you're going to have to find out in the next video. So if you want another good video to watch, be sure to watch the next video. Man, y'all not going to miss out. I'm telling y'all right now, y'all not going to miss out, because we about to go crazy. Not only are we about to go crazy, but we coming with some heat. It's 2026. The markets think they could play with us? Nah, man, I'm about to show y'all. I'm about to show the markets how we really get down, you know? The markets think it's going, okay, bet. And this NZD-CHF, y'all remember this pair. NZD-CHF, first L for the first trade of the year. And this is also, you know, the second trade. We're in profit technically based off of how the position looks, but we're not in the trade anymore. It's a mistake on me. It's just like, damn, NZD-CHF, I got something for you. Markets, I got something for you. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. But like I said, y'all gonna have to wait till the next video. Be sure to watch the last video too, because it's a banger as well. It's valuable, it's a banger. It's all that and above. Yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned. Keep on watching the content. Keep on showing love and supporting. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. We got a lot more content coming. Like I told y'all, bangers on the way, man. Bangers all month. You already know what type of time it is. And I just wanna let y'all know, I genuinely appreciate y'all. I love y'all from the bottom of my heart. Keep on showing up, man. Keep on turning up with me. And I'm gonna keep on turning up with y'all. You already know how we get. And don't forget, click the links down below in the description, man, if you would like to join a free Discord community with traders escaping the rat race just like yourself. Traders in there that's passive funded, traders in there that's, you know what I'm saying, funded as we speak. Go ahead and click the link down below for the free Discord community, as well as scheduling your own personal one-on-one with me in specific. If y'all wanna understand this game we call trading and grow within these markets. You know, a lot of it's mental. Some of it comes down to strategy and obviously like what you can do in the markets, but at the end of the day, shit happens in trading. If y'all want to be able to dodge these curves, not only dodge them, but whenever you get hit every now and then, be able to stomach it even better, go ahead, click the link, man, tap in. Let's get your psychology right. Let's get your mind right. Let's talk about trading. Let's level up and let's grow together. Hey, man, I'm not going to keep on yapping. I got some more things I got to do, and I'm going to get up with y'all in the next video.